Hi, it's Jane here. We know that we should eat 5 servings of fruits and vegetables a day to maintain good health. Are you struggling to eat even 1 serving every day? If yes, then you must watch this video to the end. In this video I want to share with you not 1, but 10 easy ways you can apply to make sure that you and your family get enough fruits and vegetables every single day. This video is brought to you by the Perfume Paradise. Now, everyone can be elegant, attractive and romantic. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification button to stop missing out important updates from us. Also, check out in the description area to grab special bonus exclusively prepared just for you. We all know by now that we should be eating at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables each day. But knowing and doing are 2 different things, aren't they? Sometimes it is just not easy to get them all in there. We are constantly tempted to fill up on convenience and junk food. If your family is anything like mine, they'd much rather fill up on a bag of chips or a bowl of rice or pasta instead of trying an apple or a plate of steamed broccoli. So we'll have to get creative. Here are a few ideas to sneak some extra vegetables and fruits in your family's diet. Tip number 1. Start the day with a breakfast smoothie. All you have to do is throw some fruits, low-fat yogurt and ice in a blender. You may also want to add a scoop of protein powder in there for good measure. Just blend for a few seconds and you have the perfect breakfast ready to go. I like to sip mine in a thermal cup on the way to work. To make it even more appealing for your kids, use some frozen yogurt or a scoop of ice cream in the smoothie. They won't believe that you are letting them have ice cream for breakfast. Tip number 2. Dried fruit makes an excellent snack any time of the day. Add some small cartons of raisins to your child's lunchbox. Pack some yogurt-covered raisins in your husband's briefcase and keep some trail mix sitting around for snacking. You can also add dried fruit to oatmeal and cereal in the morning. My family loves banana chips in their breakfast cereal. Tip number 3. Add some fruits and vegetables to your family's sandwiches. You can add some banana, sliced apples or strawberry slices to a peanut butter sandwich. Top a turkey sandwich with lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and anything else they will eat. You can even make a sub-shop style vegetable sandwich by combining several different vegetables with some mayonnaise and cheese on bread. Tip number 4. Have a salad bar at dinner. Set out a variety of chopped vegetables, some cheese and croutons as well as several choices of salad dressing along with the lettuce and let everybody create their own perfect salad. Tip number 5. Let them drink their fruits and vegetables. Keep an assortment of fruit and vegetable juices in the fridge and encourage everyone to drink them as a snack. Get creative. You could start family cocktail hour by pouring everybody a glass of his or her favorite juice over ice. Add some straws, cocktail umbrellas, and sit together to talk about how everybody's day went. Tip number 6. Make it a dessert. You can put 1 or 2 small scoops of ice cream or frozen yogurt in a bowl, and top it with lots of fresh or frozen fruit. Tip number 7. Offer fruits and vegetables as snacks. One suggestion that you can do is prepare peanut butter apple slices. You can cut apples into slices and top them with peanut butter or cheese. Another idea is cubed cheese and serve with grapes. You can also cut up some fresh veggies and serve them with ranch dip. One more idea is spread some cream cheese or peanut butter on the inside of a stick of celery and sprinkle raisins on it. Yummy! Fruit and vegetable in one snack. Tip number 8. Try some new fruits and vegetables. Pick something exotic to get your family's curiosity. With a little luck, their curiosity will outweigh their initial apprehension to trying something new. You could try artichokes, plantains, papaya, mango, star fruit, or anything else you can find in the produce department of your local store. Tip number 9. Make a pot of vegetable soup or a stew that's heavy on veggies and easy on the meat. Both of these make some great comfort food when the weather gets cold. Some ideas of the soups are beef vegetable soup, mixed vegetable soup, sweet corn carrot soup, etc. Tip number 10. Start my veggie day. Each family member gets to pick a vegetable one day of the week. They qualify to pick a vegetable as long as they tried each vegetable the week before, otherwise they lose a turn and the mom gets to pick. Make it fun and enjoyable for the whole family. Incorporate a few of these ideas, and you will have everyone in your family eating more fruits and vegetables in no time. Now that everyone in the family has gotten a taste for it, make sure you always have plenty of fresh fruits and veggies available and ready to snack on. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Do you have any thoughts, opinion or experience to share? Write it down in the comment area. We would love to hear from you. Also, do you like this video? Don't forget to like and share it to your friends. Until then, see you in the next video. Have a great day ahead.